So we don't know if they're gonna ship off people recording or not. But let's go ahead and see what's inside this Nike factory store. Hopefully there's something good. I guess it's all women's stuff. Let me go upstairs to the men's to see. Let me go to the men's first. So I got like an upstairs and a downstairs. Going upstairs to the men's. It just opened up. Not many people here. Let's see what we can come across. So I guess this is like their heat wall right here. Maybe grade school sizing, I don't know. Nothing too crazy so far. Oh, so they got these Air Force Ones, which just came out. Size 13, 140. These are pretty clean. Definitely seen these before. Let me know if you got a feel in these or not. Got a little dirt on them. Sliding over here to some running shoes. $84 for the Zoom Fly. $84 with 30% off. That's pretty dope. They got some running shoes here. And it is 30% off this back wall. Nike Zoom Unity 2, size 16 though. 30% off of these things. Some cool running shoes. We got the LeBron 19s Valentine's Day 129 with 10% or 30% off. So that's dope. We haven't seen this that cheap at the outlets, but you can go to some Marshalls right now or some Rosses right now. Find these for like $50, but we did find LeBron 19s. Fly Trap. This blue colorway is dope. Normally, so it's $179 with 30% off. We got some trails. It's not too crazy over here, you guys. But that's what happens at different outlets. You just never know what you're gonna get. Alpha, next percent 2. Or $275 still, but 30% off. We got the Kyrie Infinity, Predator and Prey. Still $140, or maybe it's a little cheaper. Size 11. Like I said, 30% off of on it too, so that's pretty cool. Okay, we got a team basketball colorway, the Kyrie Low 5 TB. 120 with 30% off. I haven't seen this colorway yet. That one's pretty nice. Then we got the Unity 2, this colorway. 160 still, but you got that extra 20% off. Definitely a dope basketball shoe right here. I would love to try these on and see what they look like in a size 13. They do have those. And then we got this Kyrie Fly Trap, or Kyrie Low 5 in a team basketball colorway. Definitely haven't seen this yet. Let me know what you guys think about this navy blue though. It's pretty fire. Navy blue and white. I'm sure the team basketball colorways are gonna be pretty dope for this Kyrie Low 5. Two of the better outlet finds so far today. So they got more Kyries, more LeBrons. They got these Kyries, still 140 with 30% off the South Beach colorway. They got the LeBron 19 size 10.5. Maybe still full retail with 30% off. I don't know, but LeBron construction, got the Fly Traps. Nothing over here really. Okay. Low on inventory, they closed the whole section off. That's kind of wild. Over here, more on the back wall, nothing that really stands out. I feel like we got another Kyrie Fly Trap or Team B colorway. Black and white. We definitely seen the Oreos before, but this one looks a little different. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think about this colorway? Like I said, 30% off on these two. Got some Griffies here. 170, size 8.5 with 30% off. A lot of LeBron 19s as we've seen before. See if there's anything else that stands out over here on the back wall for the guys. Structures, 79 with 30% off. A lot of LeBron 19s. Then we got the LeBron 9 right here. Pretty good size run. 109 with an extra 30% off. You can't go wrong with that. Got all the way up to size 13 as well, bro. These are definitely pretty clean. Was $225, 109 with 30% off. That's a super steal. Might be the steal of the outlet today. Then we got this Fly Trap here in adult sizes. I don't see a 13, I see a 14. Oh, there's a 13 right there. In this Fly Trap, normally 90 down to 69 with the extra 30% off. Go ahead and check these out, try these on. I never tried on the Fly Traps yet, so let's go ahead and see how they fare up, man. This colorway is pretty dope. Never seen it just yet. That blue is pretty much hitting on there for the left shoe. And see how these actually fit on your boy's feet. I don't have my tripod so you guys can't see the side view of them. Yeah, these are snug as shit. Probably just gotta unlace them a little bit. Not a bad shoe. They feel great on feet though. I'm not even gonna lie, man. Fly trap seem like there's something I can hold up. I got some space right there. Like this is where my toe ends, like right here for a size 13. So I got all that wiggle room right there. So true to size for sure on these. I like the fit, bro. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway overall. 69 with 30% off, that's not that bad. But I definitely don't need no fly traps right now. But give me your thoughts on these in the comment section below. Just want to try them on and see what they feel like. If I find them for cheaper, maybe, 69. They're gonna go cheaper than that for sure. Give me your thoughts on these in the comments below. So then we have more over here. Look at the trails over here. Normally 140 down to 69 with 30% off. That's a steal right there. 140 to 69. That's a steal right there. I'm gonna have to scan those and see if that's something for Amazon. Then we got the Daybreaks or Waffle Trainer SE. $49 with an extra 30% off. That's pretty clean too. Checking some of the stuff over here on the back wall for the men. The extra 30% off as you can find. Air Max 95s. Then we got these Jordans. Oh, the Jordan 12 low cleats. Those are clean too. 30% off of $179. Got these Nike boots with the black suede. $160. That's 6.5. Those smaller sizes. Got a KHAKI fly trap right here. Nothing else that we haven't really seen already. Okay. More over here, smaller sizes. Just trying to see what we can come across that might stand out. Air Max 97s. They got dunks here? Dunk highs for 59 bucks. That's crazy. You definitely don't see that too much. Some dunks for 30% off. That's different. Even though it's smaller sizes, black and white. They got them all over the small sizes, the grade school sizes. That's interesting to see. Air Max 97, 165 down to 64. That's definitely a steal too. Witness 5s, the Kentucky blue colorway, all the way down to 94 bucks. We got some LeBron Soldiers over here, triple black, 119. We got some more of the Witnesses in a green colorway. And then we have the KHAKI Fly Trap 5 for 39 bucks, bro. Pretty good size running these two. 39 bucks as opposed to 90. And then we got some more of the Fly Trap or Witness 5s for $94. Giannis Immortality down to 69 bucks from 80. Pretty good size running those two. They got them in a couple colorways. Nothing here that we haven't really seen. Got these Hirachis for full, still 135. And these ones also here, still full retail 135. Some new Air Force Ones with that extra buttery materials on the upper, man. Brown, pretty good size run for those. And pink, I don't know if you guys are feeling these or not. Pretty cool. Nike Air Structure, this is the colorway I like. $79 as opposed to $120. Found this KHAKI Low 5, the One World, One People. That's pretty interesting to see. I saw the dude put something in the back, but it was, maybe it was this KHAKI Low or this KHAKI Infinity right here too, because I didn't just see this a minute ago. KHAKI's flooded at the outlets as well. In a few different colorways. Size 13. Let me try these on and see what's up with them real quick. So you gotta do the pull tab thing. Let's try these on and see what's up with them. This thing looks like a boat, bruh. I do like the air bubble. I like the color combination on that. And I do like how it has 3M on there too. 30% off on these. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Unlace them really good so I can, cause these 9s fit snug. I had a pair of South Beach 9s that I ended up selling because they are so snug. Hold on, let me get to this. Like the whole makeup of the shoe though. 9s have just a good feel in hand, you know what I mean? Let me go ahead and try this on. This fur's not too bad, it's really soft. People just hating on this LeBron right here. All right, these are not bad. They not too bad on feet. Kind of snug. Let me see what they look like. I think that look good, right? Not too bad on the shoe. It does got some 3M on there. Can y'all see the 3M? Y'all can right here. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comments below. Not a bad looking shoe though. I like them, but not this price point. We're gonna leave them. I definitely had to try them on to see what it was talking about, bro, because I'm telling you, they feel good. And I'm pretty sure they'll be even cheaper at the outlet fairly soon. But yeah, overall, let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below, and if you guys would have copped them, or do you guys have them in your collection already? Clean shoe, easy to put on. Not bad at these. Not mad at these, bro. Running shoes over here. 270s in the triple red colorway for 109. Now this is like that new Crater type shoe. The Air Max Pluses. What do you guys think about those? 185 still full retail. And this colorway reminds me a lot of an off-white shoe. Normally 189 down to 129 with that 30% off. So that's dope. Air Max 95s, 139 as opposed to 175. Teens or 2017s for 164. Trail running shoes for the low. Normally 100 down to 64 with 30% off. I like that colorway. It's pretty nice. Got the Pegasus Trail 2, also 89 bucks as opposed to 130. It's not a bad shoe. There's a few different colorways and they're all on sale for the most part, you know what I mean? Now these Air Force Ones with the pearls on them. Some people did like those for the women. Still full retail at 110 though. Pretty good selection here. Kind of average, but they got some things here still. Looks really nice out here in San Clemente. We just left the outlet. About to head back home. Long trip. Was out there in San Diego for some days. If you like anything you've seen in this video, do me a favor and smash the like button. You know, hit the like button. That really helps. Maybe share this video with some friends and family who don't know about my channel. Subscribe and all that good stuff, man. Follow me on Instagram. Also, we're doing weekly giveaways every Friday. And just join, man. Be a part of the team. We're grinding. We're growing. I'll see y'all in the next video.